Mulroney up against Truna. Delivers. Chance! It's a goal! Atlanta won it! Won't you believe it? The final play of the match! Welcome back, 17s!
The West. A night of heightened tensions. For Gunditz! Franco, Świderski tries to turn, he shoots, and that one squeezes in! Kirill Świderski has hit early! He's opened his account, and he has scored Charlotte FC's first goal at Bank of America Stadium! That's the start we were looking for!
Yes, in the middle! Makes it to Shakira!
Kuba's first touch, and it's in! Marino makes no mistake, but it's the goalkeeping mistake that has caused the crew here. FC Cincinnati have struck again, they're back in front.
Temperature around. That's a decent ball, and it's a decent strike! It's a decent goal from Jonathan Lewis. What a delivery from Diego Rubio. And Jonathan Lewis takes it away for number 2.
After no score in the first 45, can it be? You betcha! Oh my! Lucas Ryan looked up, saw the keeper out.
Away by Knaus. Pinballs to Rudy. Rudy sees roll out.
By Slovenia, forward to Velasco. Velasco's driving at the 2 men back right now for Nashville. Nashville trying to get more numbers back behind the ball. Velasco's still going. Velasco's still going. And a shot! Get a chance to make a first impression.
Moffitt will try it. Long range hit from Moffitt! Oh, are you kidding? What a blast from Adam Moffitt! A stunning goal here at Robertson Stadium. And it comes.
Shallowy into the penalty area. He has it go! And he beats the keeper! The magnificent season of Daniel Shallowy! The Hungarian assassin continues! Seemingly from nothing!
Kamara throwing his body in, it's going to fall for Ibrahimovic!
To Palacios, to the byline. Palacios clipping it up.
Here it is. Messi! Garcia, Arriaga, and Hlongwane! He's done it! In the game on the edge! Late on, Minnesota have the edge!
Oh, the control here! It's a winner! It's a stunner! It's Joel Waterman!
Mukhtar flicks
does. Oh, and what a shot! The Red Bulls are taking the lead for the first time in this game.
In the lead up to this match, 2-0 Red Bulls. Tolkien taken out of midair, and another strike from long range for a 3-0 lead. Lewis Morgan with a laser, and the Red Bulls are running DC United out of the house.
Sands ahead. Tati Castellanos slips right in front of Glesnes. Now a chance here for New York City. Tati the header.
Takes it, and it's deflected and gone in! A goal that will be etched into Orlando history, and it's Kaká who has done it.
Third out, Glesnes fires! Glesnes
making a big run. Moreno looking for him. Marcinkowski gets it. Oh, he spilled it. A bicycle from Esprilla! Mr. October, take him out!
Ruiz now, he's been good. Salt Lake. Schmidt giving chase. Nice play. Waffles end. Lays it back. A winner? Yes, it is. That is unbelievable. Schmidt slides in the snow. The comeback complete. But
Serves it up to John. It goes free to Shea Salinas. Leaves
Great
it.
ball.
Cronin. Chip. Far play.
Germany in the 1960s and set up Schmetzer's Sporthouse, which was the place where you go to buy soccer gear. Here comes Rui Diaz through the middle to crown it for Seattle. And now they truly can start the celebrations. It's the Sounders MLS Cup.
Leuven hits it nicely. Oh! Edward Leuven hit that one from the Mississippi River. One settle St. Louis City.
Given Toronto in front of that back four, special.
Here's Altidore now. Josie Altidore!
Waddell trying to win it back, and maybe that little bit of pressure open things up for Davies. Great move by Davies. Well, this would be something